Did you know 5 ancient movements used by Shaolin monks can completely change how your legs look, feel, and perform? So let's jump right in with our first exercise, the horse stance. Now, you've probably seen martial artists holding this position in movies and TV shows. Well, this simple hold is one of the most effective ways to build leg endurance, strengthen your knees, and develop the kind of mental toughness that translates to everything else you do. Don't worry if you don't have access to a gym. You can do this anywhere, anytime. If you do a lot of sitting throughout the day, causing weak legs and poor circulation, you'll definitely want to learn the correct way to perform the horse stance. So here's how you do it. Stand with your feet about twice shoulder width apart, toes pointed slightly outward. Sink down into a squat position until your thighs are roughly parallel to the ground. Your knees should track over your toes, not caving inward. Keep your back straight, chest up, and your hands can rest on your hips or extend in front of you. Now hold this position. Try to hold this for about 30 to 60 seconds to start, and then gradually work yourself up to 2 or 3 minutes. Trust me, if you've never done it before, it is not as easy as it looks. Your quads are going to start burning after just 20 seconds. So you're going to want to start off with shorter holds and build up over time. The horse stance builds isometric leg strength that carries over to every other movement you do. When your legs can sustain tension for minutes at a time, movements that require explosive power become effortless. Climbing stairs stops being a challenge. Getting up from a chair becomes automatic. Your knees get stronger instead of weaker as the years go by. All right, now that we've built foundational leg endurance with the horse stance, it's time to shift the focus to unilateral leg strength with the static lunge, also called gong bu in Chinese martial arts. Now, this exercise is great for building single leg strength, improving hip flexor flexibility, and creating balance between your left and right legs. These are some commonly overlooked areas when people are putting together a leg routine. By targeting each leg independently, it helps to fix strength imbalances and supports your knees and hips, making everyday movements like walking up hills or stepping up onto platforms more effortless and pain-free. If physical activity causes knee discomfort or you've experienced lower back tension from squatting, the static lunge is a must-have in your routine to make you feel younger and more stable. So let me show you how to do it. Step your right foot forward into a lunge position. Your right knee should be bent at roughly 90 degrees with your knee directly over your ankle. Your left leg extends behind you with your left knee hovering just above the ground. Your torso stays upright with your chest lifted. Keep your core tight throughout the entire hold. Now hold this position for 45 to 60 seconds, then switch legs and repeat. After just one set of this exercise, you're going to feel your front quad and rear hip flexor start to really light up. But if this exercise is too difficult for you right now, you can lower your back knee to the ground for support, or you can hold the position for shorter intervals like 20 to 30 seconds. I'm pretty sure you're going to be looking forward to the 5th exercise because it's one that builds leg strength in a plane of motion most people completely ignore. It works lateral strength and mobility, but more on that coming up. Right now we're at the single leg balance, known in Kung Fu as the golden rooster stands on one leg. This is simple but incredibly effective. At first glance, it may look like you're just standing there, but this movement provides serious benefits for balance, ankle stability, and proprioception. It's also going to challenge your hip stabilizers as they work to keep you from wobbling. Now, this exercise isn't just about balance, it's also about injury prevention. As we age, balance deteriorates and falls become more likely. The golden rooster stance trains your body to stabilize on one leg, which is exactly what you're doing with every step you take when walking. By improving single leg stability, you reduce the risk of ankle sprains, knee injuries, and falls that can lead to serious health complications. So to perform this exercise, stand on your right leg with your knee slightly bent. Lift your left knee up until your thigh is parallel to the ground or as high as you can comfortably manage. Your left foot hangs relaxed below your knee. Keep your standing legs stable and your core engaged. Your arms can extend to your sides for balance or rest at your sides. Hold this position for 45 to 60 seconds. Focus on a fixed point in front of you to help maintain balance. Then switch to your left leg and repeat. As you grow stronger, you can increase the challenge by closing your eyes or standing on an unstable surface like a pillow. The wobbling you feel isn't weakness, it's your nervous system learning to control small stabilizing muscles around your ankle and hip. Every second you spend in this position builds the proprioceptive awareness that prevents injuries and keeps you moving confidently. Now that we've focused on building balance and stability, let's shift gears and dive into a movement that restores lateral mobility and leg strength. The cosac squat is one of the most effective exercises for opening up your hips and building strength in ranges most people never train. It's a movement that martial artists have used for centuries, but due to modern lifestyles, always moving forward and backward, but never side to side, tight adductors, and reduced hip mobility, many people struggle to get into this position at all. This exercise not only builds strength in your inner thighs and glutes, but it also improves the mobility of your hips and ankles simultaneously. It's particularly helpful for activities like changing direction quickly, stepping over obstacles, or moving laterally with confidence. Look, if you've ever felt like your hips are locked up or your inner thighs are tight, this movement right here is essential for regaining that natural lateral strength. It's also going to transfer over to a lot of other exercises you want to perform and make them safer and more effective. Now, I know it looks challenging, but I suggest easing yourself into this. I wouldn't force maximum depth right at the beginning. You're going to want to stand with your feet much wider than shoulder width apart, about double the width. Your toes point slightly outward. Now shift your weight to your right side and bend your right knee, sinking down into a side lunge. Your right foot stays flat while your left leg straightens completely. Go as deep as you can while keeping your heels down and your chest upright. Aim to hold the bottom position for 2 to 3 seconds, then shift your weight to the center and immediately move to the left side. Continue shifting side to side for 10 to 12 reps total. If maintaining depth is a challenge, you can hold onto a door frame or wall for balance support. Keep both heels flat throughout the entire exercise. Avoid letting your knee cave inward, as that puts unnecessary strain on your knee joint and reduces the effectiveness of the movement. Your knee should track over your toes and your chest should remain lifted. Now, before I show you the fifth and final exercise, let me address something important. If you're dealing with chronic aches and pains, stiff joints, or you feel like your body just doesn't move the way it used to, you're not alone. Most people think they're stuck with these problems forever. But what if there was a simple step-by-step system that could help you move pain-free again? I created Reboot Your Body specifically for people struggling with these exact issues. It's a 30-day program designed to restore the movement and strength you've lost, so you can play with your kids or grandkids, get through your day without constant aching, and feel confident in your body again. Imagine climbing stairs without knee pain, squatting down without fear, and moving through life the way you're supposed to. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. When most people train legs, they often forget that asymmetrical loading and deep single leg positions are key aspects of functional leg strength, and that's why Shaolin monks include the offset squat, also called shubu, in their training. This exercise is a highly effective single leg movement that targets your quads, glutes, and hip stabilizers while forcing one leg to work significantly harder than the other. It's a very simple yet very powerful way to build unilateral leg strength, improve knee health, and increase flexibility. Things that all lead to living a better life with less pain and more mobility as we age. So if you've experienced knee clicking, stiffness when getting up from chairs, or instability during single leg movements, this exercise is a must. Poor leg strength balance and lack of deep squatting ability often lead to knee degeneration and chronic lower body pain. The offset squat will help build the strength and mobility that protects your joints for life. Follow closely how to do it, and then we'll be getting into that structured routine I mentioned earlier. You're going to stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, shift your weight almost entirely onto your right leg. Your left leg extends slightly to the side with just your toes touching the ground for balance. Now sink down into a deep squat on your right leg. Your right knee bends deeply while your left leg stays relatively straight, just providing minimal support. Lower yourself as far as you can, ideally until your right thigh is below parallel or your hamstring touches your calf. Your right heel stays flat on the ground and your torso leans slightly forward to counterbalance. Hold the bottom position for 1 to 2 seconds, then drive through your right heel to stand back up. That's 1 rep. Do 8 to 10 reps on your right leg, then switch to your left leg and repeat. You're going to want to avoid letting your knee cave inward or your heel lift off the ground.
Focus on slow, controlled movement and really feeling your working leg doing almost all the effort.
If you want to make this more challenging, you can hold your arms straight out in front for balance, or eventually progress to holding a light weight. All right, now's the time for me to show you how you can combine these 5 ancient movements into a powerful leg strength routine that you can do 3 to 4 times a week. Up first, you're going to perform the horse stance for 3 sets. Start with 30 to 60-second holds and gradually work toward 2-minute holds as your leg endurance builds. Rest about 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Then you're going to do the static lunge for 2 sets per leg. Hold for 45 to 60 seconds on each side. Your front leg will be burning, but that's where the strength gets built. Rest 60 seconds between sets and between sides. Then over to the golden rooster single leg balance, and you're going to hold for 45 to 60 seconds on each leg for 2 sets per side. Focus on a fixed point ahead of you and breathe normally. Don't hold your breath. After that, perform cosac squats for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps total, shifting side to side. Move with control and try to get deeper into the position with each rep. Rest about 60 seconds between sets. And finally, the offset squat. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps per leg. Really focus on letting one leg do the majority of the work while the other just provides minimal balance. As always, be sure to rest adequately between sets, about 60 to 90 seconds. In total, this routine takes about 25 to 30 minutes and addresses leg endurance, single leg strength, balance, lateral mobility, and deep squatting ability. This routine, consistently done 3 to 4 times per week, will yield dramatic results in how your legs look, feel, and function. Within 2 weeks, you'll notice your legs feel stronger getting up from chairs and climbing stairs. Within a month, movements that felt difficult will become effortless. Your balance will improve noticeably. Your knees will feel more stable and less prone to clicking or discomfort. Within 3 months, you'll have leg strength and endurance that rivals people half your age. The horse stance builds the foundational leg endurance that everything else builds upon. The static lunge creates single leg strength and hip flexibility. The golden rooster develops balance and ankle stability that prevents falls. The cosac squat opens your hips laterally and builds adductor strength. The offset squat challenges single leg strength through the deepest ranges. These 5 movements work together to create complete leg development that modern gym training often misses. Most people only train forward and backward movements with both legs working equally. They never train holds, never work single leg strength, never move laterally, and never go into deep positions. These ancient movements fill in every gap. The Shaolin monks developed these over centuries of practice because they work. They build the kind of leg strength that lasts a lifetime, not the kind that looks good for a few years and then breaks down from injury. They create joints that get stronger instead of weaker. They build balance that prevents the falls that rob people of independence. So share this video with someone who needs stronger, more resilient legs. And remember, these movements might look simple, but simple doesn't mean easy. The horse stance will humble you. The static lunge will burn. The golden rooster will wobble. The cosac squat will challenge ranges you haven't accessed in decades. The offset squat will expose strength imbalances you didn't know existed. But that's exactly why they work so well. They force your body to adapt in ways modern training never does.